Hello, welcome back to Antique Restorations here. And today I went out and I did some thrift store shopping, and I did pretty good. And that's why I do a lot of thrift store shopping. I don't always put it all up here because sometimes I want it to be a surprise when I put it in my videos and how I'm going to use it, so it's a first time see type of thing. But this time I don't mind showing this to you. So anyhow, I did get this blanket here. I'm going to be using this, of course, here and there, but I want to hide what I bought. But at one of my thrift stores, what they say is fill up a bag, and you have these different size bags for different prices. So I saw some stuff that was intriguing me, and I went digging like you wouldn't believe, but there wasn't enough to fill up a bag, so I had to grab some things I think I might use. And so anyways, I picked up this little shirt here for maybe Bye Bye Baby from Baby Gap, and he can wear that with a little pair of jeans. I thought he could wear that. And you can always use some extra little bloomers, you know, so those go nice. I saw this little dress. Now this is not for, well, it could have been for a baby, but I think it was more for a doll because it's got the Velcro on the back and everything. I just feel it's more bear, maybe for a bear or a doll type thing, but it was in the baby clothes. And then also to fill up the baby clothes, I saw this nice little corduroy dress here. I love corduroy, and here's the corduroy, and it has little cats at the bottom here, and with the leopard at the top. Who is it made by? Oh, Gymboree. And so there you go, a nice little corduroy dress. But then it gets a little bit interesting. All of a sudden I was up where the bonnets were and all this stuff, and I went, there's something there that really interested me. Well, in there was this beautiful little vintage, I'm going to say vintage, bib that ties around the baby's back, and it comes up here, and there's a button, there's a little tiny button, and it goes right up here in this little loop. Oh my goodness, try to get that on a baby that's moving. Good luck to the mother there. But anyways, it's all hand embroidered and everything, and it's got the back of the bib. We'll go to the back here. There's your back of your bib. So maybe it's homemade, a homemade bib. And I just thought it was really a cute bib, and this ties around the back of the baby. Then it got a little bit more interesting, and then I found this little bib in there, and I went, oh, another old bib. It goes this way. And it's got the eyelet and everything there, and I was getting more excited. Now, I don't know if these are old, but they seem to me that they are. These are crocheted little bibs, and I thought, oh my goodness, that's perfect, what I need bibs for. I'm not one to put bibs on my dolls, but these I would, because they're dressy. They got that very nice adding to the gowns and the dresses. And then there was this red one in there, crocheted one. So to fill the bag up even more, I put these booties in there. I could always use these on some of my bigger dolls. And then I found this nice little tiny newborn hat as well. So can never get enough of those nice little summer eyelet hats. But this was more what I was going for, and they won't sell these on their own. They have to be part of the bag system. So I had to fill, I took the smallest bag they had, and I filled it up. And I got, the bag is $1.99, I think it is, that you fill this bag up for $2, and you just fill it up, and this is what I got. And this was really what I was after, but I had to buy all this to get this. And I thought for $1.99, I did pretty good. These were my gems in there that I was just digging away when I got these in there. I was like, is there more? Am I missing something? But that was all I could find. I thought that was a nice touch to add to some of my dolls and their clothing. It'll dress up their dresses even more. So, but I don't see these around too often. I've seen these on eBay and other sites that'll sell these. Now these could have been just made in the last little while for all I know, or they could have been made years ago, and they were as a keepsake, put away very nicely over the years. Whatever the case is, I love them, and I think they'll look nice with my dolls' dresses as a piece to dress up their dresses. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this and you found this very interesting. I got to learn how to dig deeper in these places. I usually bypass this bin because it's always a mess, and I just go, I'm not digging in that. I think I will be from now on, and just take a little bit of a further look into this. As I go by, I'm not going to be so much of, that's a mess. I'm going to say, I want to go digging. And you never know what you can find. Now I think, what have I bypassed? But wonderful, wonderful. And I did come up with some other nice little pieces. The Cupster can wear this nice corduroy little dress. I've got lots of dolls that can wear this dress. So very nice anyways. I thought I'd share this with you. Go to your thrift stores. You never know what you can find, and dig. Learn to dig. And get down there and dig down, because you don't know what's lying underneath. And what this is the thing. Today's mothers, and I'm not knocking them, because I was that way somewhat too when I had my babies. But today's mothers they want the up-to-date stuff. This stuff gets overlooked, and if nobody buys it, it goes into, you know, I imagine it goes into shredding and disposed of, you know, or whatever they do. I know in the States at their Goodwills, they have Goodwill bins. We don't have that here, that I know of. So if they don't sell it, where does it go? This was at Value Village, I got this, so I've got to learn to dig even deeper if I'm going to find this stuff, to not bypass things. And so when you go to your thrift stores, dig, dig, dig. You don't know what's underneath. All the stuff that's on top, these were laying way down underneath because the mothers bypass it, they throw it over, and there's just stuff piled on top of them. And I understand it, they want the newer, not the old stuff. So, but this old stuff is what we want and what we want to pull out. That's the stuff that attracts us. So, got to dig in. I did get another little dress also, but it's in the wash right now. I'll show that later on. So anyways, everybody have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this, and get to your thrift stores and start digging. Bye-bye. And Stephen?
Thank you for joining us.
Bye-bye.